Okay, welcome back. So now we are going to find the angle of trigonometric equations. This will be our fourth LO. So the angles of trigonometric equation adalah dengan memahami apa itu angles. We have two kind of angles. First is positive angle, another one is negative angle. How to read the positive angle? How to read the positive angle is just by anti-clockwise from here only. Okay, start from here. Let me write it down. Start here, start reading here. This is where you read them. This is where you read them. Okay, you read them from this paksi X on the right hand side, yeah. Dekat sini, this is the area of you start to read the angle going up, going anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise dekat sini bermaksud di sini adalah area untuk positive angles. Manakala kalau kamu ke bawah, which is clockwise, this is clockwise, dia di sini adalah bacaan untuk angle yang negative angles. Easy? That is just how you pandai bezakan atas positive angle, bawah negative angles. Okay. Now, sekarang ni kita kena belajar the sign of trigonometric ratios. The signs means whether it's positive or it's negative. So macam mana nak hafal all of the signs? I'll give you some tips. So the tips is all maksudnya all. Okay, tak apa, sabar dulu, nanti saya explain. All signs teacher crazy. Yeah, all sign teacher crazy. Kenapa all sign teacher crazy? It is just because all dekat sini starting daripada first quadrant. Okay, starting daripada first quadrant, maksudnya all will be positive sign. All yang di sini adalah merujuk kepada ratio yang untuk sin theta, cos theta dan juga tangent theta. All of these three will have positive sign, positive cos, positive tan. Itu yang dia maksudkan dengan first quadrant. Manakala quadrant yang kedua, signs, kenapa dia sign? Sebab the letters of S. This letter S will be having a positive only. Okay? Dekat second quadrant sahaja di mana signnya positive. The rest is negative sign. Okay? Negative cos, negative tan. Dekat mana? Dekat second quadrant. Dekat second quadrant yang boleh positif hanyalah sin theta sahaja. Manakala the third quadrant, the teacher maksudnya huruf T. Huruf T dekat sini tan yang akan positive sign. Okay, tan sahaja yang positive sign, manakala sin dan cos pula yang negative sign. Manakala the fourth quadrant adalah crazy di mana huruf C, di mana C adalah untuk cos. Okay, cos ada huruf C. So C di sini, cos di sini akan positive sign, the rest of it akan negative sign. So this is how easy you remember all signs teacher crazy. Maksudnya ingatlah huruf yang pertama dekat sini. Yang sini menunjukkan huruf-huruf sin, huruf tangent dan huruf cos akan memberikan positive value. Positive sign. Okay, remember this all sign teacher di mana the first quadrant is all positive sign, the second quadrant only sign yang positive, the third quadrant only tangent yang positive, and the fourth quadrant only cos yang positive. So you remember all signs teacher crazy ni adalah untuk yang positive sign sahaja. The rest of it going to be negative signs. Negative signs. Okay. So now basic angle dekat sini setakat ni kamu hanya perlu hafal sahaja. Kalau saya ada waktu yang lebih, saya boleh explain. Tapi for now, just remember that Whenever you see sine negative theta, okay, it is equal to the negative sine theta. You tak percaya, you masukkanlah apa-apa nilai dan you tekanlah calculator. Bila you tekan calculator, they are actually equal to each other. Just try and error. Example, put 90 degree, put 60 degree, put 30 degree, whatever numbers that you feel comfortable to use. You make this, put it into the angle over there, and then you will find out that they are equal to each other. Okay? So basically, negative sign untuk tangent lah, untuk tangent dan sine if you want to hafal dengan mudah. Manakala kalau cos negative theta yang sahaja akan memberi cos theta. Okay, now let's go start with the first example. The first example here state the trigonometric function in acute angle. Okay, in acute angle. Dia minta acute angle. Acute angle maksudnya adalah less than 90 degree. Itu maksudnya acute angle. So all of the questions here is bigger than 90. So sekarang ni, without using calculator we can find something less than 90 degree without using calculator, and we got the value. You know how easy is that? So what we need is all science teacher crazy. Kita perlukan benda-benda ni. And then kita perlu cari di manakah 160 degree. 160 degree berada di second quadrant. Okay, bila dia berada di second quadrant, you just make a line there from 0. And then you lorekkan angle selebihnya. You know that this is 160 degree. So the rest of the angle will be 20 degree. Sebab the total angle untuk belah atas adalah 180 degree. You should know that. Okay, so you dah tahu selebihnya adalah 20 degree. So this 20 degree will be useful to us. This 20 degree will be useful. Kenapa dia berguna sangat? Disebabkan all science teacher crazy. So all science teacher crazy maksudnya dekat sini sign yang positif, right? Okay, so bila sign dia positif, in fact soalan ni minta sign, you kena pakai sign. Okay, kalau soalan ni minta cos, you kena pakai cos. So sekarang ni soalan ni minta sign, and so you write sign. Tulis sign. Adakah sign ni positif ataupun negatif? Dekat second quadrant, angle of 20 is positive sign. And so this is literally positive sign 20 degree. So the answer is just sine 20 degree. Ta-da! Macam tu je lah. So this is the value of what they want, less than 90 degree. Dia tak suruh kira pun, dia just suruh state the trigonometric function in acute angle. Itu je soalan minta. Dia bukan minta kita kira dengan tepat. Okay? Kira dengan guna calculator, tak. So now let's find 220. So 220 berada di sini lebih kurang. And then you put a straight line there. Okay. And then you label lah sini adalah 220 degree. So kalau sini 220 degree, selebihnya adalah how many? Selebihnya adalah 40 degree. Because this area is 270 degree. Saya tak cukup je. 50 lah kot. Here should be 50 lah. Kenapa 40 pula? Apologies. Here is 50 degree. Let me write down nicely. Here is 50 degree. Sebab total hingga sini adalah 270 degree. Okay, 270 degree tolak 220, nilainya adalah 50 degree lah. Kan? So now kamu kena ingat, di sini third quadrant, the third quadrant is only where the tangent yang positif. Okay, tangent je positif. Soalan ni takkan kita nak tulis tangent pula. Tak nak. Kita nak cos. So, kalau sini tangent positive sign, the rest of it is negative, right? So you know that the cos will having a sign negative. So you just write down cos first. Cos berapa? Cos 50. But the cos 50 here is not positive sign. It is just negative sign because of the third quadrant here has shown to us that positive pada tangent sahaja, but the rest of it will be negative sign. So you kena letak negative cos 50. Let's go to the next one. Tangent 310. So let's find where is tangent 310 is around here. So you put a line there. Put a line there and you label 310. The rest of the angle adalah berapa? The rest of the angle is 50 degree. Okay, because satu bulatan penuh adalah bernilai 360. Kan? So now have a look. This is where the cos positive. Only the cos yang positif. Tapi jawapan yang perlu ditulis adalah tan. So jawapan yang perlu ditulis adalah tan untuk fourth quadrant. Macam mana Miss tahu fourth quadrant? Because I gotta use this 50 degree. So I have to use 50 degree because I need them. And then this 50 degree is at the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant di mana only cos sahaja yang tangent. Cos sahaja yang positif. Therefore, tangent dia adalah negative tan. So, negative tan 50 degree. Ta-da! That's it. So, you just have to make sure that you understand. You kena tukarkan kepada yang sama jugalah tan ni. Okay, kalau dia minta sin, kena cari sin lah. Kalau dia minta cos, cari cos. Okay, it's just that you have to remember that every quadrant will describe different kind of signs, positive ataupun negative. It's according to their own position. Okay, just remember all science teacher crazy. Now, let's go to the soalan yang kedua. State the trigonometric function in acute angle. Masih lagi. Cumanya sekarang ni soalan dia dalam ni melibatkan negative angle. So jangan takut. Negative angle berada di bawah ni. This is actually your negative 25 degree. Okay, kalau kamu tahu ini negative sign, janganlah letak negatif dekat sini. No. Tak perlu letak negatif. Just letak nilai sahaja. Because nilai sahaja yang kita nak tahu angle tu berapa banyak, berapa besar. So negative sign ni nak cukup bagi kita faham bahawa dia ke bawah. Itu je. Kalau positif dia ke atas. Right? Negative sign dia ke bawah. So clockwise. Tak payahlah letak negatif dah. Letak je lah 25 angle. Okay? So now what do we know about here? Here is only cos yang positive cos. The rest of it will have negative sign. See? So this negative sign, I said if you want to get the answer, you must write down the same also. You got the right sign also. The thing is the sign is negative here on the fourth quadrant. So you just got to put negative sign 25 degree. Ta-da! So that is how you proved to us that oh my god, miss, isn't it this is the formula untuk basic angle? Yeah, this is the formula untuk basic angle. We have proven it to you that this are good. This is a good formula to remember. Okay, by just using the all science teacher crazy. How about the next one, cos 40? So have a look at the cos 40. 40 is around here. Agak-agak sajalah besar dia takat mana. So this is 40 degree. So 40 degree di mana? Di mana dekat sini adalah fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant di mana cos sahaja yang positive, right? Only cos yang positive. And in fact, this is a question of cos. You must write down cos. And is it positive or negative sign? It is just a positive cos sign. cos sin sebab di sini adalah fourth quadrant only cos sahaja yang positif. Therefore, I'm so happy to write down, oh, this is cos positive. Positive cos 40 degree. Yay! Isn't it the same as our basic formula, basic angle formula? Yeah. Tengok ni. Sama nah. Dalam ada negative 40, tiba-tiba hilang dah negative. Yeah, we have proven that the basic angle is correct. Let's go to the final part. Final question. So 48. 48 is also around here. So this is 48 degree. So 48 degree, as I said, only dekat sini yang positive angle untuk cos. The rest of it will have a negative tan and negative sign. So here, of course, you will see that this is negative tan. Okay, untuk fourth quadrant, tangent dia adalah negative. So negative tan 48 degree. Isn't it the same as the formula of basic angle? Yeah, it is just totally the same, and it is just totally proven to you that this all three basic angle is totally correct by using the sines trigonometric ratios. Okay, last one, question number 3 from me. Find the following without using calculator. So in this case, kita akan buat latihan yang banyak-banyak dengan nombor angle yang agak besar. Okay, this time the angle is quite big. Now I'll show you how do we do this without using calculator. So now I will pusing, disebabkan ni adalah positive angle kan. Positive angle mesti anti-clockwise. So pusing dari sini anti-clockwise, berhenti dekat sini. Dia mesti melebihi 360 lah. So here is your 390 degree. So the rest of this kamu tak bolehlah ambil the rest of that angle. Tak boleh ambil angle di mana dia rapat ke paksi Y. No. This is wrong. What you should do is, you mesti ambil angle yang berdekatan dengan paksi X. Okay. So this is actually 30 degree. Okay. You know that whole of this is the 360 degree, right? So 390 minus 360 adalah dia terlebih 30 degree angle. So this value will be very important in that answer. The thing is, you must check what is this first quadrant tell us that all is positive. Maksudnya sine will be positive because you have to use itself sine. So you write down sine 30 degree. And in fact, sine 30 degree sebenarnya adalah 1/2. So yeah, this is how easy you got. You can write down 1/2 ataupun 0.5. That is how easy without using calculator. Just make sure you draw all science teacher crazy. Itu je. Let's go to the next example. 630 degree, besar tu, banyak tu. So dia akan, okay, this is its first stop, 360 degree. Okay, and then lagi satu pusingan adalah 720 tau. Lagi pusingan yang kedua, pusingan full yang kedua adalah 720. Tetapi dia tidak sampai 720. Dia hanya takat sampai situ, fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is 600 and ya ke hati-hati. Kira betul-betul. Okay, kira betul-betul. I think I suggest to you kita kira pelan-pelan. So tambah 180 berapa? 540. Okay, 540 tambah 90. Ini kita akan dapat 630. 630 berhenti dekat. Hang on. 630 berhenti dekat ngam-ngam sini ha. Ngam-ngam dekat sini. This is 630. Okay, so so we know that angle yang melekat pada X, yang melekat pula, ialah kita kena baca yang melekat pada X tau. So this angle is actually 90 degree. So don't be afraid, just use that 90 degree. But all you need is to check whether your cos punya sign, punya simbol adalah positif ke negatif. So in this case, only tangent sahaja yang positif. Therefore, cos mesti negative cos. So cos 90 is actually 0. Okay, so the value is just 0 degree. Ta-da! Now, let's find the final answer for tan 550. So, 550 adalah dalam lingkungan 360. Hang on. Here is 360 degree. Tambah 90 dapat berapa? 450. So, kena lebih lagi lah. So, lebih sikit sahaja. Dia akan berhenti dekat sini kot. Yes, dia akan berhenti dekat the second quadrant. So, you make a line there. And then, you know that dia mesti, angle yang kita cari mesti menghampiri paksi X, ya. So, this is the angle that we have to check. This is 510. So, total there is 540. So, here is 30 degree. So, 30 degree, tan 30 degree. 30 degree, ya. This is 30 degree. Kenapa tan? Sebab kita kena guna soalan tu balik, tan. The thing is only sign yang positive. Therefore, the rest of it is negative. So, everything there is So, the answer is negative tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, you know it already, right? Tan 30 degree adalah nilainya 1/3. 1/√3. Okay? And then don't forget to put a negative sign. Tapi square root tak boleh di bawah. So you have to rationalize it. So when you rationalize it, you will get your answer is negative square root 3/3. Ta-da! That is what our answer, the final answer that we should return properly.